Hi, we're Jenny and Erin, and we're Revision's mentor.
And today we're going to go over some awesome strategies that you can use to get your occupied home staged and ready for an open house.
Okay, so where to start when you're getting your house ready for open house?
You have to make the place absolutely spotless. It has to be the cleanest that this house has ever been if you want to impress your buyers.
That attention to detail that you have your client put into cleaning before open house day is going to make all of the difference.
Absolutely. That conveys a message to the buyer that, that there is attention to detail. And if small things are neglected and the buyer picks up on that, that kind of sends a message like, oh, I wonder what else they've neglected in this house. When we prepare a house for an open house, we do things even down to like folding the toilet paper into the shape of a V, because it conveys this level of perfection that we want to show to our buyers.
Yeah.
So
assuming that we're starting there, we're starting with a sparkly clean palette for our open house day, I think the first thing that we would recommend would be to focus on lighting. Get all the curtains open, get all the blinds up, get all the lamps on, really light the place up so that people can see, and that warm, cozy glow is predominant throughout the entire house.
Absolutely. Light sells homes. So in terms of getting the house ready for your open house, you want to make sure that the kitchen is absolutely spotless. We're clearing off the countertops. We're putting the small appliances away. We're putting things underneath the cabinet so they're out of sight. And then you put your tray of kind of a welcome kit for your buyers on the counter.
This is something that you can actually leave for your clients so that they have it ready to go on their open house day. We usually do a pretty tray with our marketing materials, which is an advertisement in a small frame, a stack of our business cards, a couple of bottles of water, a candy dish, and then we'll oftentimes have our homeowner go ahead and put a bouquet of fresh flowers with that, so that the kitchen is really a clean palette in terms of the countertops, so that there's just one nice little visual that sort of says welcome to buyers as they come through and take a look.
Yes.
That's tip 2.
So the third tip is to go ahead and remove any litter boxes if you have cats, and the food bowls if you have dogs, and toys if you have children, and kind of get them out of sight.
Any of those other pet sort of accessories like cat towers and that sort of thing, you want to move all of that out of the home, either into the garage or even potentially, pack it up and take it with you just for the open house so that the space is really fresh and clean. The tip number 4 is really simple, and it's a little investment goes a long way, right? Tip number 4 is simply about bringing fresh life into your kitchen and your bathrooms with new towels.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just get some brand new towels and cut the tags off of them and hang them up, because that conveys clean.
Yes. In the bathroom, the master bathroom, and the powder room, go with white. Get a stack of new white fluffy towels, hang them on the racks, make a small stack. It's simple, it's clean, and I think fresh towels has a really big impact and in a very simple way. Okay, last but not least, we have tip number 5, which is super simple but makes a really big difference. That is to simply get a new entry mat for your front door.
Yeah, and a wreath. Really small changes that you can make that will convey fresh and new and clean and welcoming to your guests on open